I'm the realest one that's reppin', oh my God, if I die, I'm a legend when they lay me down to rest.
In this video we are going to see top 5 useful Good Lock application. To download Good Lock application, use my previous video. 1. One Hand Operation Plus. This application can be used for edge gesture like Pro. Open Find Lock application and open One Hand Operation Plus application. This app lets you assign any function to edge swipes on both sides. Here are some examples. I am setting volume up down and screenshots for edge swipes. This application offers a variety of handy shortcut options. After setting up, as you can see, all the gestures are working fine without any lag or delay. To KeysCafe. Another Good Lock module I love using is KeysCafe, which allows you to make your own keyboard and provides endless personalization options. With this app, you can customize your typing experience with effects, sounds, keyboard themes, and more. This app works flawlessly and has a cool look, as you can see. 3. Nice Shot. Nice Shot is a very useful module that adds some basic yet important tools to take screenshots to the next level. By using this application, you can add a delete button to the screenshot menu. This app lets you delete screenshots directly without needing to open the gallery. 4. QuickStar. QuickStar is a handy tool I use to customize and hide the icons from the status bar. Set any theme for the notification panel. Customize, hide, or add icons to the notification panel. RegiStar. The pixel feature I miss the most when I am not using my Pixel 7 is backtap actions. It's a feature that lets you double tap the back of your phone to perform an action. I set up the double back tap for taking screenshots, and it works flawlessly. You can also increase and decrease sensitivity of the tap. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.